What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about this crypto here called Oax, which has pumped up 45% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at 44 cents. And yes guys, it is the top gainer according to Binance. So we're going to be looking at, is it time to buy it right now? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? So essentially we're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks for the short-term traders, as well as over the next few months for the long-term investors. Is it a crypto worth buying into 2023? And looking at how high can Oax really go this year. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is down just about 0.5%, and we have Oax as one of the top gainers. In the last hour, it has gained nearly 3%, over the last day 46%, over the week 66%, and over the month massive 115%. So as you can see, it did pump up in late March last month, up over 166%, hitting 55 cents, dropped back down in value all up until about yesterday, the day before, where it slowly started to gain value, up about 126%. So yeah, so far it has been performing very well. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 600%, making it nearly $200 million in trading, which is a huge percentage increase when it comes to trading volume. As it is one of the top gainers, we are going to see way more people looking into the project, a lot more people showing interest into Oax as well, meaning we're going to see more buyers, more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, meaning more and more traders. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Oax, which is here in purple at 30 cents. However, we can see it trading at much higher value here in red at 44 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, it's not looking too good. As you can see, the blue and the orange line are both looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So let's say towards the end of the day today, what I am expecting from Oax is an overall minimal drop in value. Yes, it's gone for a major increase in value. However, most of the time what comes after that is a minimal drop in value. So let's say towards the end of the day today, I'm expecting it to drop below the 40 cents target, potentially down to about 37-38 cents is where I'm expecting Oax to be trading at towards the end of the day today. However, that doesn't mean it's gonna stop pumping right now. It's likely to go above 50 cents over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down towards the later this afternoon, this evening, and towards the end of the day today, dropping down to about 37-38 cents. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Now we got the blue line still looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. However, the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite directions to each other. One's looking bullish and one's looking bearish, meaning an overall increase or fluctuation in value is what is expected over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say by the end of next week, we should essentially see Oax trading around the 50 cents target is what I'm expecting. Again, it is going to be quite volatile. We're going to see red days, green days, up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side. However, I'm expecting it to slowly and steadily gain value by mid to late next week. We should take it to 50 cents. However, this also depends on how the crypto market performs. For example, if Bitcoin manages to gain value, then we are also going to see the crypto market heading upwards. However, if Bitcoin does decide to drop down to about $28,000, we are going to see the crypto market take some more red days. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking much more positive, much more bullish. However, the blue line is looking very steep, meaning it's not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last 24 to 48 hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, is going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. What I am expecting, in fact, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, by mid to late May 2023, is, yes guys, an overall increase in value from Oax. However, nothing major, nothing too crazy. Potentially heading up to about 65 to 70 cents is where I'm expecting Oax to be trading at by mid to late May 2023, depending of course on how the crypto market performs. But at the moment, it's looking quite good. We should be able to hit more green days, and also I'm expecting Bitcoin to go for an overall increase and as well, potentially heading above $35,000 by late May is what my predictions are. And again, if you guys are interested, of course, I will keep you guys updated on a regular basis on specific cryptos, but in general, the crypto market as well, as that's what I'm here for. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far it is looking so good for Oax for the short and long term as well. However, as I mentioned, over the next day or so, do expect it to slowly drop back down in value. So for those of you guys who are for the short-term trade, make sure you got your risk management on point, because it is likely to hit more red days, or red hours shall I say, towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow, before it slowly starts to gain value. Now, on to the main question: when is Oax likely to hit the dollar mark, as mentioned in the thumbnail? Personally guys, Q3 of 2023 is when I'm expecting Oax to be hitting $1. And again guys, this may be around, let's say, August, September time is when I'm expecting Oax to be hitting $1. Again, I know we've got quite a long way to go, and anything can literally happen. I mean, anything guys, as cryptocurrency is a very volatile market, so we can see it crash, pump, do anything that it wants. But at the moment, Q3 is where I'm heading to for the $1 mark. So what I want you guys to do now is let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting this crypto to be hitting $1. Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.